Today I will be teaching you how to duplicate your Airbnb listings. Let us get started. First and foremost, kindly go to their website and do make sure you're logged in and you have previous listings before. Now go to the top right, select Manage Listings. Here on the top, Listings, and then over here on this button. Now we go down, create from an existing listing, and over here. Kindly select the ones you'd like to duplicate, but for now, let us use this one. Click on Get Started. This depends on you, but let's click Start on your own. And then save and exit. From there, it should all be good. Now to check if you have successfully duplicated your listings, go over here on the top and you can check it. But that is how you duplicate your listings in Airbnb. For more videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.